I have started me another quilt, and it's burgundy, and I've got 5-inch squares, and then I've got a 5-inch square on top and a line down. So I'm gonna show you how to make this block. All right. I hope everybody's doing all right. I'm just gonna make one little block, and then it takes 4 blocks in a block, so I've already got 3 rows made, so. And it is so pretty with this one color. Got that been sewed. That's been sewed. Got one more. Okay, I'm gonna cut along these lines here. Let me get my scissors. There they are. Let me get the pins out. All right. Make it, and I'm cutting down the middle of this. I hope everybody's doing all right tonight. I started this quilt yesterday. I mean, it's quilt top. And I like 2 more rows on it. But to make this block, I'm gonna make a video. Okay. I am going to press these out and I'll be right back. How to pin these together to make your design. Okay. And then wait a minute. Let me get it straight. Okay. Then I'm that's pieced together that way, and the other one is done like this. All right. I'll go get these sewed and I'll bring you back. All right, I'm ready to sew these. I've got them together now. I've got enough to here to make a block. And I'll show you how pretty that is. Like I said, I've already got 3 rows put together, made. And I wanted to show you what they look like and how I done it. This is the same pattern I made that last quilt. The different color. This is burgundy or purple or I'll have to look it up. I have to get on Amazon and see what the color is. I forgot. But I just turned 83 years old, so otherwise I'm doing all right. I've been blessed. God has been good to me. I broke a lot of bones, but you know, I always come back. All right, I'm gonna take these and press them out. All right, I've got these pressed out, and I'm gonna show you how I put these blocks together here. I'm going to take the one this way, and then I'm going to put this one on top. And I'm going to do all these that way. So let me get these pinned together and we'll bring you back. All right, I've got these all pinned together. Wait a minute. Okay. Had to fix it. It wasn't hardly feeding down there right. right, I'm going to be back after I get these pressed. All right, I have got three rows of this done. And there's the last block I made. But this is, don't know what the name of the pattern is, I forgot. But I made the last quilt out of this pattern. But there's the, I like 2 more rows having it done. But I'm going to go ahead and get this downloaded tonight, and it'll go out in the morning. But that's the, like I said, maybe I can find the name of this. If we don't, I'll just say a quilt. All right. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. Let me get back up here at the end of the bed. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell when you want to be notified when I got another video. And thank y'all so much for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe.